Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer on the foundation of English fluency. I am so glad you're here today. Now, if you're just starting out on this path, I want you to know right off the bat, I'm here to guide you. We're going to tackle this journey step by step as partners. You know, learning a whole new language, it can absolutely feel a bit overwhelming. But honestly, we're going to break it down and make it totally manageable. Like it says right here, we will learn English step by step in a simple and easy way. So whether you're a student, gearing up for your future, a job seeker looking to really stand out, or just someone who wants to improve how you connect with the world, just take a deep breath. You are in exactly the right place. This explainer is specifically designed to build your skills with absolute confidence. No rushing, no stress, just steady, simple progress. Okay, let's take a quick look at our roadmap for today. 1. Introduction to English. 2. Why learn English. 3. How to learn effectively, and 4, your journey begins here. Having a map just makes the whole trip way less stressful, right? Let's dive in.
So, starting with part 1, Introduction to English.
Think of English as a giant, global bridge. We're talking millions of people who speak it as their very first language. But honestly, here's the really inspiring part. Millions more are learning it as a second language, literally right now, just like you're doing. That's enough people to fill thousands of stadiums. So you aren't just memorizing a list of words, you're joining this massive worldwide community. It's pretty amazing.
All right, moving on to part 2, why learn English? Before we get into the nitty-gritty of exactly how to study, we really need to ask, why is English important to you? Seriously, think about it for a second. What clicked in your brain to make you put on this explainer today? Finding that personal motivation, your personal why, is the fuel that's going to keep you going when the learning gets just a little bit tricky.
Because the tangible benefits are absolutely life-changing. First off, global communication. It lets us connect across totally different countries and cultures. Second, better education. It's like a master key giving you access to a huge amount of knowledge, books, and online courses. Then, career opportunities. Employers really value good English skills for sure. Number 4, easier travel. Getting around foreign airports or cities is just a breeze when you know the language. And finally, increased confidence. Being able to understand and be understood in daily life, that is a real game changer.
Okay, section 3, how to learn effectively. Now this is absolutely crucial. Studying for many hours only once versus 15 to 30 minutes daily. Please do not exhaust yourself trying to cram everything into one giant session. It just doesn't work that way. Consistency beats cramming every single time. All you need to do is spend 15 to 30 minutes every day. Little by little is exactly how you build a mountain. So, how do we actually build that daily habit? Well, start with simple input. Tip 1, practice every day. Tip 2, listen to English. Watch some videos, throw on a cartoon, or listen to a podcast while you're doing chores. It trains your ear wonderfully. Tip 3, read English books. Really simple, fun stories help you soak up the grammar naturally. Oh, and here's a great one. Learn just 5 new words daily. If you do that, imagine your vocabulary a year from now. That's over 1,800 new words. Okay, once you're taking all that in, you've got to let it out. Tip 4, speak without fear. Just start practicing out loud right away. Tip 6, write a little bit in English every day. Even a super short diary entry or just a couple of sentences is perfect for locking in what you've learned. And finally, tip 7, be patient and never give up. Learning a language takes time. Keep at it, and I promise you, you're going to see that little by little improvement. I really want to pause on this thought right here. Do not worry about making mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of learning. Seriously, please do not let the fear of sounding silly stop you from practicing. Every single stumble, every little mistake, that is just proof that you're actually trying. It's a completely necessary step towards speaking beautifully, so embrace those mistakes. And that brings us to our final section, your journey begins here. So, what is our concrete game plan? Well, in our next lesson, we are going to tackle the English alphabet and pronunciation. We're starting right at the foundation, making absolutely sure you've got the basics down perfectly before we build anything else. I want to leave you with this one empowering question. Are you ready to start your English journey? Because I know you are, and I'm incredibly excited to be on this adventure with you. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today and taking this huge step for your growth. Get your 15 minutes of practice in today, be super patient with yourself, and I will eagerly see you in the next explainer.